looking for my cousin Anne. Some may call her Anne Marie. She lives in Landilo, Phase 5 in Savannah Lamar. If anyone knows if she's safe, let me know. Her daughter Kelly is concerned. Alright. My number is 941-258-5920. So, looking for Anne in Landilo, Phase 5, Savannah Lamar. If you know her, please contact me at 941-258-5920. Thank you. Good day, people. Thank you for stopping by Champion 7 TV. It's sad times considering that Jamaica is going through right now, and some other islands in the Caribbean. Yeah, man, lots of people lost their lives and homes. May I say, it's sad. We still haven't heard from some family members in St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland and Montego Bay. Those parishes were hit hard, including Trelawney, Clarendon. Wow, it's not easy, so I have if anyone have phone service and live in Carisbrook, St. Elizabeth, I have an aunt up there, a little brown elderly lady named Verna. Yeah, her husband is Devon. Let us know if they are okay. Alright. Yeah, we're trying to get in touch with them. And her niece, her granddaughter rather, is concerned. If you know if Anne Marie is safe, her daughter is trying to get in touch with her daughter Kelly. Some may know her daughter as Candice. Yeah, so let us know, guys. And I have two brothers in Montego Bay, Dougie and Jackie. If anyone knows them, just give me a link. Alright? Give me a link, send me a message, on WhatsApp. 941-258-5920. You can WhatsApp me at that number. 941-258-5920. Yes, but it's disheartening what's happening in Jamaica, especially, there are a lot of senior citizens living out in the hills away from other neighbors, and no one knows what happened to them, yeah. So some people couldn't help it. Some could have, because they didn't heed the warning. I even put out a video prior. Give me a second. I even put out a video before the hurricane telling of my experience with a Cat 5. That is nothing compared to Gilbert. And that's exactly what everyone is saying now. They didn't know it was gonna be this bad. Gilbert is child's play compared to Melissa. Yeah, you're saying that now, but we try to tell you why we have to be so hard-headed. That's the reason why I put out the video, because I know our people can be hard-headed. And I saw on the news one man said him not leaving, him not going anywhere. Him not leaving his house. Even if it's a Cat 6. They thought it was a joke. The man said even if it was a Cat 6, it have to go take him away. Him not leaving. One lady was being interviewed on the street. She was homeless. She said NHT put her out her house. Lift her up out of her house. That's what she said. And the reporter asked her, so you know this is a category 5 hurricane coming, so where you gonna stay? She says right here on the street. It have to go lift me up too. And HT lift me up out of my house. Well, this hurricane have to go lift me up off the street. And people talk tough, talk as if this thing was a joke, you know. And not only that, guys, but look how much time we had. Delay and delay and delay and twist and turn and twist and turn and delay. People still did not take it serious. Yeah. Well, that is it. It's past. Now we have to deal with the situation at hand. So regardless, whatever way you can help Jamaica and help each other, please do. You know, please do. Yes. Wow. A lot of people still missing. You know. I tell you. Crazy, guys, just crazy to see some of those videos. And another thing, we saw some buildings in Black River decimated by the water and the hurricane, and it's like there's no steel in these buildings. It's as if these buildings were built ages ago with no steel. All you see is like rocks. You know, when they building walls and they use stone walls and they use stone and build the walls, that's how the buildings came crumbling down. That's all you see is stones. So I wonder what they'll do after this. Will they have some regulation that require buildings such as commercial buildings to use steel? They have to anyway. That's what we do now, but give them a time frame, like for example every 50 years if commercial building that's say 3 stories and lower have to be rebuilt, and whenever a hurricane passes, the structures have to be revisited and checked to see if there's any damage or if it weakened, because they have to understand when hurricanes pass, even if buildings and trees are still standing, they weaken them somewhat. Yes, each time you get hit by a hurricane, the structure get weak. That is why you see some of these trees come down. It's not necessarily because Melissa was so strong, but they've been weakened over the years, you know. Yeah. So we need to pass some regulation, man, regarding commercial buildings that, you know, a period of time to rebuild just for safety purposes, because after a while buildings become weak. You know, give them a 50-year, you know, max. You know, and roofs. These commercial buildings like the hospitals with board and zinc. No, those things have to be updated on the commercial buildings and public buildings like those. You know, you have to slab them. You know, slab them. Yep, they have to be required to slab. Don't build any more public buildings with zinc and you know, wooden trusses. Yeah, things must change. A lot have to be looked at after this Melissa. Wow. So condolences to the families who lost loved ones, and those who haven't heard from their loved ones. We pray that they are safe. Yeah, pray that they are safe. Have one life to live. Live it. If you get warning, just heed the warning. One life to live, right? Yeah, heed the warning. Yeah, don't say, well, I've been through this before and I made it through 1, 2, 3 hurricanes or whatever amount. Yeah. Yeah, man. So everyone just help each other. No time to be selfish. Just help each other to recover. Yeah, man. That is it, right? Tell you. So, once again, Champion 7 TV, you know, trying to find Aunt Verna up in Carisbrooks, the elderly lady, and her husband Devon. We'd like to know if she's okay, and her husband, and Anne-Marie in Savanna-Lamar area. She has a daughter named Kelly, also called Candice. Alright, so if anyone know if they are safe, please contact me. Also have 2 brothers, Jackie and Dougie, in Montego Bay. Alright, let me know if they are alright. My number is 941-258-5920. Yes, so thanks for watching. Appreciate you, and I hope you are well. Take care.